So this is how we're able to give our patient a crown in one day. You'll see here, we're just loading the block in, and it should be done in about 16 minutes and 6 seconds. And we're gonna fire it in our furnace, and we're gonna get it all ready to bake and sterilize to insert in the patient's mouth. So from here on, the crown's gonna shrink in size and turn into a beautiful looking restoration to match all your teeth perfectly. So there you go, the crown's all done. We're gonna take it out now